What's up guys, it's Mike Dishman here to do a really weird quick video that I've never done before. It's going to be a product review, and that product is going to be Airpods. Airpods. I know. You're probably like, really Mike, an AirPod review? I know, but look, I don't review a lot of products, but every once in a while I come across a product that is really good. Really good. Holy shit, how did I not have this in my past? I'm not really sure, but this little dental floss box is amazing. Not only does it look exactly like dental floss, which I really love, but no, I don't love that at all. But it's so tiny. Can you see how tiny this is? I mean, it is the tiniest little case ever. You know, when you wear your Levi's and you got that little pocket on the right-hand side, it goes right in there. It's so tiny, I don't even know that it's in there. That alone is just like, oh my God, so cool. So at all times when I'm wearing my jeans, I got legit earphones and legit microphones for like conference calls or a client call or an Instagram live, that kind of thing. They have a legit mic in it, so you have kind of a mic on the go. It's not the best mic, it's not going to be like this mic, but it's pretty good. So let's talk about these things. Number one, how do they sound? I think they sound absolutely amazing. When they're in your ears, you can't really tell they're there, right? You stick them in, they make this sound when you stick them in, da-da, to let you know that they're connected and they're turned on. They instantly sync with whatever the last device that you were using. They sync like immediately. I use them on my iPhone SX Max. I use them on my work MacBook Pro. I use them on my TV out in the living room. I use them with the PlayStation 4. I use them with my Alienware PC. Let's see what else. I think that's it. I even edit videos with them now because wearing these Sonys, these sound amazing. They're really great, but man, there's just something so convenient about these little buds that I'm finding myself reaching for this kind of stuff less and less because you got to deal with the cord. You can't get up and walk away. You can't, it gets tangled up. And just those mild convenience issues that these solve make them so much of an easier thing to just grab and use all the time. When I wake up in the morning, I put on a YouTube video. When I'm doing my beard, I got an ear pod in so I can hear it with the hair blow dryer going. I mean, I use them in the car and I mount my phone up on my window and I do Instagram lives when I'm driving. I have calls with them all the time. Another thing that's so cool about the new AirPods is the Siri thing is always going on. So I can do things like, hey Siri, text my wife and tell her I love her. It worked. Yeah, send it. Sent. And my wife's gonna get a message and she's gonna message me back right now and be like, oh, look at you. So easy. So good. I don't even know how to say it. It's so good. It just always works. I love it. What are some of the bad things about it? I'm not gonna, if you're in this review for technical stuff, I don't got the tech stuff. How long the batteries last? It's a couple hours. I do know that you can pop them back in here and this will charge the pods back up to like a 2 or 3 hour range of use in 15 minutes. Never been an issue for me because how I use these at work is I pop them in, I watch a YouTube video on one screen as I'm doing some design, and then I'll have a meeting. So I'll pop them in the case, go down to the meeting, have the meeting 15-20 minutes. By the time the meeting's over, they're fully charged again. Then I pop them back in my ears, and that's just kind of what I do all day. I'm never just sitting there for like 8 hours with these in my ears. It wouldn't last that long. I think it would last like max like 4 hours or something like that. So keep that in mind. This is more of like a mobile solution that covers many different things. Also, huge, I really want to say this because it's massive here, okay? If you don't have an iPhone and your iPhone's earbuds that come with it, if they don't feel good in your ears, the stock buds, these guys, if you got these, okay, and if you don't like how these feel in your ears, then do not buy these because the AirPods are the exact same size as these. Exactly. And these don't fit everybody's ears. I'm lucky, I'm one of the lucky ones, and that the AirPods fit in my ears great. I can shake my head. They don't come out. See? They're still in there. They're still in there. Now, my wife, if she puts these in her ears, it makes her ears hurt instantly. She's got little tiny ears, and so sticking these in there, it hurts her. She hates them. She can't stand them. So you're going to want to make sure that these little guys feel good first. If you don't have these, you know somebody who does. You know somebody with an iPhone, and these come with the iPhone for free, so check them out first. Now, with that said, that could be a potential huge downside for you, right? If they don't fit your ears. But the other downside is they look so douchey, guys. Like, they look so douchey. Hey, I'm douchey. I got AirPods. They look douchey. But if you're secure in your own self and you have self-confidence, you don't really care how douchey other people think you are, then they're fine. They're totally fine. I wish they came in black, personally, so they'd be a little less douchey looking, a little harder to see. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I'll leave a link in the description for these if you decide to buy them. Use my link so I can get like, 50 cents or something from the sale. And yeah, highly recommended. I don't recommend a lot of stuff, so remember that. I'll do videos like this for things that I only love. If I do a video about it, it's gonna be because I love it. It's gonna be because I fully endorse it. And these are awesome. Is there anything else that you guys want me to try out? I'll give an honest review on. If it's really bad, I'll tell you how bad it is. Leave a comment in the description. Do you have your AirPods? How do you feel about them? Do you like them? Let me know in the description. Subscribe and like to this video, and I'll be try to get out more content in the future. This has been Mike Dishman. Have a great day, guys. Ding! They're still in there.